So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. It is I don't even know, I feel like it's kind of like a Gypsy Festival Queen look. I actually use the new PatrickStarrr matte collection in the Me So Fleek. This pretty collection. Patrick actually has 2 floral sets, but I have the Me So Fleek collection, so I actually use this cute palette right here. It is called the Play With Me palette. Congratulations, Patrick, for another amazing matte collaboration. It is so cute and so my aesthetic, pink and girly and floral. I love it so much. So I actually use that on the eyes. For the brushes, I actually wanted to introduce you guys to a set of brushes right here. These are the oval makeup brush set from Vanity Planet. And this is what the box looks like. I know it's like a little bit bright, but they are pink brushes. So I actually use this one for my foundation. And they're paddle oval brushes to put on your foundation, and I find these to be a lot faster than a foundation brush that's actually flat because it's so big, and I feel like you can really get full coverage looks with these foundation brushes. So these are actually different ones that you can use for contouring and different things like that. Highlighting, I like to use it for contouring, highlighting, and also blending in the concealer, but this is my favorite one because foundation just really, I don't know, I feel like since you have to cover your entire face, I feel like foundation brushes can just cover a bigger area. So these are the brushes that I use, and they are from Vanity Planet. I linked everything below if you guys want to get them. I do have a discount code, but this is the Vanity Planet oval makeup brush set that I really find convenient, and it is inexpensive for a 10-piece brush set. So let's get started on this makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing this gypsy look. It is the Floral Realness MAC PatrickStarrr look. I definitely wish I brought this to Coachella because my Coachella looks were just kind of like just bronzy and fun. I wish I brought the blue because it's so pretty. Like, I'm like loving this makeup look, and I'm probably gonna go out and take pictures and do a bunch of stuff today. So let's get started on this makeup tutorial. It is a chatty one. I do talk about different things, and if you guys want to watch this video, please keep watching and thumbs up the video if you guys like this, and let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this video and the products. If you guys want to watch this tutorial, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I have nothing on my face. We're going to start off with the eyes as usual, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow primer that I have not used before. This one is the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the color Persuade. There are other shades as well, and this one was the lightest one, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to put it all over my lids. Using my finger to just blend it out. Put on some eyeshadow. The palette that I wanted to use is this Lorac Palette, and there's several different kinds. We're going to be using a couple of them. This one is the Venice Beach Palette, and I'm going to take this Boho Beauty light nude color, as you guys can see here, and take that and put that all over my lids. And I'm going to take this Sigma tapered blending brush. It's just like a shimmery light color. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just gonna blend it out with a bigger brush. And then I'm going to take another Lorac palette. This one is called Santa Monica. It's in the same sort of series. It is called the LA Experience palette. So I'm going to actually take this Sunset Yoga orangey brown color right here. I'm going to take this MAC 224S. This is one of the synthetic brush collection. I'm going to lightly draw on a little bit of a U shape. I'm so excited to be using PatrickStarrr's collection. This is his MAC Cosmetics collaboration, another one in the floral, and I'm going to be using this Take Me Home powder blush duo, some lippies that I have, eyeshadow palette. It is called Play With Me, and I'm going to be taking this 217S brush from MAC, taking the In Living Pink eyeshadow color, place it on my eyes to create a pink lid. And now we have a super pink shimmery eye look. I'm going to take a little angled brush. This one is the 275S by MAC. And I'm going to be taking this purple color. It is called All's Rosy. It's a matte color. And I'm going to be creating an outer V with this purple shadow. I love a good purple lid. You guys know that. It looks really good on brown eyes and tan skin tone. Then I'm going to be taking the pink color right here. And then I'm going to be taking a pencil brush. This one is the 219S. So everything I'm showing you guys is the synthetic one. Literally so good, just as good as the non. And I'm going to be taking this pink color. It is called Picky actually. And I'm going to be taking this pencil brush, the 219S. And I'm going to focus on the eyelid part. It is going to be like the inside, filling inside of the outer V. You see the eyes are like just so pink. And I'm going to take that angled brush, the 275S, and kind of blend the two colors together. I'm going to go back to the purple and kind of just go back and blend it in. My favorite eye cream ever. This is the Tatcha Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream. And then I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the orange, correcting the under eye. And for the face, I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Cream. And then I'm going to prime my face with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Your makeup stays on all day, all night when you use this. It's so amazing, and it just doesn't feel like it breaks you out or anything. It's just like an amazing, amazing primer. So I'm going to take this little disc. It's so cute. Spatula. Take a little bit. You only need a little tiny bit. Then I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation. I used this one time and I liked it, so I'm going to try it again. I used it like for a little bit and then I wore it out that day, but you gotta wear foundations a few times to like really understand it, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to finally get out the brushes. Blend Party Oval Makeup Brush Set, and I'm going to be using the huge one in the middle. These brushes really help when it comes to trying to do your makeup a little bit faster. So now I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Medium Honey. I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm going to use to blend out my highlight. I'm going to take the ColourPop Cosmetics No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 48. I'm going to take the second and last skinny brush to really contour the nose with that color. I'm going to take another paddle brush and blend out the contour. I feel like I want to add a little more concealer, so I'm going to actually add the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in light. I just can't have one layer of concealer. I need like a million. I just love it. I love a really highlighted look. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to highlighting. I just need to add like another layer, you know? I like the oval brushes to kind of like lay out the makeup faster, because I feel like it really does cover a bigger area a lot faster. Just to melt it into the skin, I like to use the sponges, but the brushes are just so easy to like literally contour really fast and lay down the concealer or foundation really fast. So now I'm going to take the PatrickStarrr Star Powder. This one is from his first collection, also by MAC. It's his collaboration, and I'm going to set my under eyes with this powder. To paint these walls white now. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows just to frame the eyes. I feel like I'm like so contoured and have like everything else on. I'm gonna be using the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 4. So I did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to actually do my liquid liner. Eyeliner that I really, really love to use is the Schwing liner from the Balm Cosmetic, and it's really hard for me to do it while holding a mirror up. I love the pink and the black eyeliner. It just looks so good. It's just like a major contrast. I love it, I love it. Now we're gonna put on the lash. I'm gonna use the Arika lash by Lily Lashes. I really don't have that many left. because there's literally only 5 left on the site. I do have the Arika lashes here. It's almost done, almost sold out like completely, and it's just so crazy. It's been such an amazing journey and an amazing time working with them. I love them so much, and I'll always continue to use Lily lashes, but the Arika lash will be discontinued, and it was a limited edition thing. If you guys want the Arika lash to still exist, let me know in the comments below, because we may be able to work something out. So let's discuss that in the comments below. But this is the Arika lash. So that's the Arika lash. It's seriously like the best lash ever. So now I'm going to do my under eyeliner with Graph Black. And then we're going to do the bottom lash line with blue. I'm going to take this angle brush right here, 266S, and I'm going to take the PatrickStarrr Play With Me palette and take the In the Shadows blue color under the Graph Black. Trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you. Oh my god, I love blue on the bottom lash line. It always looks so good. I'm gonna put the mascara in a little bit later. Let's go to bronzing. So I'm gonna take this Morphe bronzer contour. I'm gonna take this Morphe Y1 brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I don't wanna fight, no. You're barking, you bite, no, to prove that I'm right. Now I'm going to take this beautiful blush by Kevyn Aucoin in the color Pink Sand. It is called the Neo Blush. And I'm going to take this paddle oval brush. To paint these walls white. And then I'm going to take Whisper of Guilt by MAC, a highlighter. And I'm going to take this skinny brush. And I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose. And take the brush 137S. And then I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I just got this. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take the PatrickStarrr lipstick. This is the Hey Boy Hey. And it's like a dark purplish, like deep color. Top it off with the PatrickStarrr Queen P lip gloss. And then I'm going to put some blush on because I totally almost forgot. I'm going to use the Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. And then I'm going to take this big brush, the 138S, and I'm going to just mix it up. So pinky. I love it. Definitely floral vibes. Just gonna blend it out really quick. Whisper of Guilt that I had here, and I'm going to use this Fix Plus. This is a Fix Plus Gold Light. Spray this brush. Take a little bit of Whisper of Guilt. So now I'm gonna actually set my face with Fix Plus Gold Light. Alright guys, that's it for my makeup tutorial. This is kind of a festival fun look, but I like to call it a gypsy queen. It is using the MAC PatrickStarrr Floral Realness collection in the Me So Fleek. I love it. I mean, I actually have not tried the other palette, but if you were to get one, I definitely feel like I would get this one over everything. It's such an amazing palette, and it's so fun. I literally just used all the colors and created this look, and I'm just loving it. The blue is so pigmented and so beautiful. So I really enjoyed this look. I really love it. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos, and I love you guys so much. And if you guys want to get any of the items, everything will be linked below, and all the discount codes are below as well. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye! Mwah. Hey guys, I am on the way to the Tatcha Gratitude Getaway trip. I'm so excited because it is in Malibu, so it's pretty local to me. I actually go to Malibu quite often to shoot and also to hang out with my friends. And this place we're staying at is somewhere I've always wanted to stay. It's